Now class 9, today again the Mughal Empire. Today I will start Jahangir. Salim succeeded to the throne at Agra without any difficulty. He succeeded the throne at Agra without any difficulty. In most of the times the emperors had to face much of the difficulties, but here with no difficulty. Because his younger brothers had died during Akbar's lifetime. During Akbar's lifetime his younger brothers died. He assumed the new name of Jahangir, which means holder of the world. Jahangir means he took his own new name, and the name of Jahangir means the holder of the world. He started 12 rules which included arrangements for the safety of highways, abolition of many seizures, prohibition of the sale of intoxicating liquors, now prohibition of forcible seizure of property and prohibition of slaughter of, that is killing of animals, especially cows, on certain days. Now his conquest, then of the Jahangir's conquest, the conflict was Mayor, which had continued for early 4 decades, was brought to an end by Jahangir in 1615. In 1616, Prince Khurram conquered Ahmednagar fort that was lost to the Mughals in 1610. For this victory, Jahangir conferred on him the title of Shah Jahan, King of the World. Now, Jahangir had married Meherun-Nisa in 1611. He renamed her first Nur Mahal, and then he gave her first name Nur Mahal and then Nur Jahan. Now, Nur Jahan means light of the world. She was the widow of a Persian nobleman, Sher Afghan. He wanted her son-in-law, Prince Shahrir, to the emperor's successor. Now, Shah Jahan's accession to the throne. Jahangir died in 1627. When did Jahangir die? Died in 1627 in Rajouri on his way back from Kashmir to Lahore. Prince Shahrir had no time in proclaiming himself emperor at Lahore. In the meantime, Shah Jahan marched to the capital and ascended the throne in 1628. Shah Jahan time period 1628 to 1658. The reign of Shah Jahan marks the climax of the Mughal Empire. During Shah Jahan's time, the Mughal Empire reached at the climax. Now, Shah Jahan modeled the imperial code after the style of the old Persian monarch. The exquisite peacock throne, the wonderful and the exceptional peacock throne, and the celebrated Kohinoor, the Kohinoor stone, added to the magnificence of the court. It added to the beauty of the court. Shah Jahan patronized men of letters. He always appreciated the learned men and of the arts. War of succession. A war of succession began among the 4 brothers, Dara, Shuja, Aurangzeb and Murad, after Shah Jahan's old age at that time. Shuja marched towards Agra. He was defeated by a force led by the Dara's son near Varanasi. The combined armies of Aurangzeb and Murad defeated Dara's troops. Aurangzeb then imprisoned his father Shah Jahan and brother Murad and declared himself Emperor of India. He declared himself Emperor of India. Now, my student, today up till this, now next day the remaining part of the chapter. Okay, thank you very much.